Hey guys, Ashley asked a question about when you solve the circle problems because it says for the circles to leave it as pi, not 3.14. So that definitely means if you're going to do the math to use that pi button on your calculator, but you do not have to do the actual math to find the actual numerical answer. You can just leave it in terms of pi. So if you have this nice little circle right here, you know that area equals pi r squared. Well, your r is pi times 4ab squared. Once you figure out what this is, just leave this as a shape. You've already got variables in there. It's not like we need to measure it and go walk that distance to make the circle. So, your answer will be this 16. Ta-da! So that's what it means to leave it in terms of pi. Pi is still there. Okay? If you have any more questions, I'll be here on Friday. And so is your homework. Okay? Thanks, guys.